Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, and I'm your host P5, aka P's are good, and this is another episode of nice bit of kit that you already know what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera. Hold up, no wait. Today, before I do that, let me tell you, today we got a fourth evangelist. No, it doesn't work as good as a tooth evangelist, does it? But anyway, we got a 4-4. We got a Connect 4. Come on, we got a Connect 4. You'll see exactly what I mean. Now I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time. Less talking and more showing. I'm gonna show you what I mean.
We don't run away from pain, we let it blast us. Let it wash away the pain, don't let it stress us. All that bragging on your name, that don't impress us. I put my soul into the flames, how can I mess up?
Addicted to crepes and I don't mean pancakes. Got the sauce and the syrup but ain't nothing sweet. Get out the way man, I'm about to go ride this beat. You round and get top past Tommy C. The beat is killer and that's exactly what I'm about to be. So check the feet man, P-fire double stepping. I'm cool, I'm cooler than the weapon. I don't carry but might do, so just chill. And I don't wanna have to talk to you. I'm I'm old school, I'll show you what that might do. You ain't with me, play the rhythm like I'm supposed to. The mic. So guys, I've just shown you 4 PlayStation t-shirts from Uniqlo. Now those of you that know Uniqlo, they do some amazing graphic tees. They've got these, they do collabs all the time with different artists, different, you know, kind of like PlayStation, you know, people like Cause. They've just got, and really cheap. Do you know what I mean? So they're normally like $12.90, something like that. These are actually on sale at the moment. I think most sizes are gone, but check Uniqlo. They're like £7.90, and I think maybe one of them is like £12.90. Not, and that's on sale from £17. But £7.90, and again, their quality is ridiculous, like really soft. They're all very nice. I've shown you 4 different ones. I got these just because of the fact of, I mean, PlayStation. I never had a PlayStation till PlayStation 2, you know, pardon me, but my boys had the PlayStation, and it just reminds me of when I was younger, you know what I mean? Not so young like 12, 15, but more like 18, 19. So yeah, really dope guys. This one right here has this sort of velvety applique. Yeah, it just feels really nice, and as you can see, it says PlayStation in black, and the back, well, what more do you need to say? Controllers galore, really beautiful, gorgeous. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. Like I said, check out Uniqlo. They should still have a couple, but sizes will be going. This has been 4 Uniqlo PlayStation t-shirts. Really dope, really fresh. The sun's coming out, it's that time. I'm gonna be showing you more t-shirts and more stuff for the summer. And yeah guys, stay dope, stay fly. Please tell me which one's your favorite, let me know, and yeah, leave your comments down below. Stay fly, stay dope, and catch you on the flip side. Peace guys.